What's up everybody, welcome back to another vlog. So in today's vlog, we're gonna talk about Airbnbs, some do's and don'ts, and also some great tips on running a successful Airbnb business. Now I've been on kind of like, I guess, an expedition to find some great Airbnb hosts anywhere in reality where I want to go on vacation, and this place definitely took the cake. This guy went above and beyond what a normal Airbnb host should be like, and if anything, it inspired me to become an Airbnb host like the guy who owns this place. Now, before we go into detail on what made this place one of the better Airbnbs that I've probably ever stayed in, we're gonna talk about some things to remember when looking for a location for an Airbnb. This one is in Naples, Florida, and also what would make a good area for an Airbnb. And you'd be surprised on what really makes an Airbnb successful. So obviously location is definitely going to be a huge determining factor in how successful your Airbnb is. So again, this one's in Naples, Florida. The cool thing about this place is not only is it in a great location close to the beaches, but you also got a really nice pool. I enjoy the pool because number one, I have kids and my kids like going swimming in the pool, and that's important for me, especially because, you know, I want them to have fun, I want them to be entertained, and I also want a place to cool off because it is very hot here. It is extremely hot here. It's beyond hot. Hot is an understatement, but having a place to be able to cool off and have fun. Think about the people that are going to stay in your Airbnb. Now the cool thing about this host, he went ahead and provided us with floats, which I thought was pretty cool. Most people, they usually don't provide any type of floats, or if they do provide floats, they look so run down that you don't even want to use them. This guy, these floats, they look in pretty good condition. It looks like they just probably bought them maybe a couple of months ago. Another cool thing about this host is that he also provided a grill. So not only can I cool off now I have a place to throw some steaks on the grill, even though I never did, and I have plenty of gas to do it. He gave me 2 extra propane tanks inside the garage in order to run that thing on top of the one that it already has. That gives me the ability, of course, to have even more fun back here if I wanted to. So that gives me, of course, even more an incentive to come and stay here again, because now I have multiple things that are going in my favor on why I want to be in this place. So remember when I said that this host was the type of guy that has gone above and beyond? Well, number one, all this stuff behind me, he let us borrow it, or basically provided the Airbnb this. Beach chairs, got beach chairs galore, got a fishing pole right over here, got golf clubs. There's pretty much everything and anything that you want to be able to do here. He gave you the ability to do it. I mean, going to the beach is prime, of course, because you're in Naples. Naples has beautiful beaches, white sand, and you know, they also have really nice golf courses. There's also great fishing spots. You can go down to the fishing pier. He gave us 2 fishing poles. I didn't really use any of this stuff, but it makes it a great plus in order to stay here, because now you don't have to bring any of this stuff with you. You don't have to remember, oh my gosh, did I bring any of this, you know, equipment so we can go and do this, this, and that. It's already provided here at the Airbnb. I brought my jet skis with me down here. It was a pretty long haul from North Carolina, I'll tell you that much. I don't fit in here because, you know, these things are in the way. We had a really fun time riding them. The ocean is beautiful here. All these beaches are beautiful. There's a lot of things that we got to see that you're not going to be able to see unless you rent a boat. And I've rented a boat a few times here. I liked it, but I wanted to bring my jet skis this time because it's a lot more fun. But they also provided us with bikes. So the cool thing is, it's not just 1 or 2 bikes. He gave us 2 adult bikes, 2 kids bikes, and then a little like a little cart almost. So it's enough for me and my 3 kids to ride. Let me see if you can get a nice shot here. So that's the little cart I was talking about. which I thought was kind of nice because, I mean, again, that's above and beyond what any Airbnb host has done for us in the past. Also over here in this corner is all the pool stuff, all the beach stuff. Like down there, there's some beach umbrellas. You got a bunch of other beach stuff, like there's some fins. I'm pretty sure there's other stuff in there that I haven't checked out, which is pretty dope. This is what makes an Airbnb host successful, because he's giving you the ability to experience a bunch of stuff, you know, that way you can have fun on vacation. And having fun on vacation obviously is a big plus, because I mean, nobody wants to go on vacation and have to remember everything. I mean, I usually have to bring all this stuff, and I was so pleasantly surprised when I got here. I was like, man, you know, I actually forgot my beach umbrella. He gave me 5 to use. I didn't bring any of my beach chairs, and I got a ton to use. So I mean, that was like a big plus, because like I forgot to bring any of this stuff because I was so concentrated on making sure I had all the right equipment with me for the jet skis. These jet skis, while they are super fun to ride, they also take a lot of maintenance, especially when riding in salt water. So another cool thing about this place is that it is very aesthetically pleasing. It's a beautiful house. I mean, right now, this video probably does not do it justice whatsoever, but it's very nicely groomed. It's a very nice house, and it's in a very nice neighborhood. It's a nice little gated community. These homes are in the like 600,000-700,000 range. All right, so of course you guys are seeing this property after I've already stayed here. I had a great week. The owner was absolutely amazing. In case you guys ever want to stay here, he actually left this card here, which I'm trying to get. This guy right here, absolutely awesome Airbnb host. Definitely a super host. He has multiple Airbnbs, so this isn't the only one. And he gave me everything I needed to have an enjoyable vacation, which is also super awesome. Gave me cleaning supplies, gave me toilet paper, gave me trash bags, gave me even sandwich bags to put my sandwiches, gave me ice, wine. So if you guys are ever looking for an Airbnb to stay in, this is definitely one. And if you are considering getting an Airbnb and trying the Airbnb business out, definitely make sure that you follow the points in this video as far as finding the right spots, what your guests are gonna want, and making an enjoyable experience for your guests. Because ultimately, if you have repeat customers, that's where you're gonna be making the most money, because I will stay here again. I'll stay in any Airbnb that he owns. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you wanna find out more about this Airbnb host or more about the Airbnb business, shoot me some comments below. You know, shoot me some questions that you might have as far as, you know, how to run an Airbnb business. There's so many great tools available to you that, you know, there's no reason for you not to succeed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on another vlog.